This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. This avoids wasted time later. Check your iPhone model and iOS version, then make a full backup to iCloud or iTunes so you can recover settings. Make sure you have the Apple ID and Mobile Device Management, MDM, enrollment details, usernames, passwords, and any server addresses. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and temporarily disable VPN, proxy, or personal hotspot. Once done, you're ready to access settings and start removing or re-enrolling remote management. You'll now remove and, if needed, re-enroll the MDM profile. Open Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. Identify the management profile. Tap Remove Management and follow prompts. Enter the device passcode or the admin password if asked, because removal is gated for security. If the profile refuses removal, it's usually a server-side restriction. Use Apple Configurator on a Mac to restore or request the MDM admin revoke the enrollment token. Make sure to keep the device online throughout these steps to avoid sync errors. Finish by rebooting the iPhone and confirming the management status in Settings right arrow VPN and Device Management so you know the change stuck. Re-enroll using the provided MDM URL, QR code, or Apple Configurator. Allow time for profiles and policies to sync because some profiles push in stages. If the device still misbehaves, reset network settings to clear cached policies. As a final troubleshooting tip, if everything else fails, perform a DFU restore and re-enroll. This removes stubborn configuration artifacts, but requires restoring your backup afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.